Hey, it's Boba Bay. Ranging from Japanese to Chinese, we have Takoyaki Ball, Rice Crackers, green onion sticks, and Fishy Chips. Look how puffy. Visually, they remind me of white cheddar Cheetos. You can see the seasoning. They're hard, scratchy, and you can see the soy coating. Almost looks like caramel. These are so delicate and thin. Funky texture, nice and crisp. Ah, they're getting away! Tastes like a Cheeto with nori seaweed. Airy, light crispy texture, and has a mustardy horseradish aftertaste. Tastes sweet at first, but then a savory flavor comes through, almost like a sweet soy sauce. Very crunchy, and you can taste the rice. So delicate but sharp. They turn into spikes after chewing and only break into smaller hard pieces. Tastes like a mix of onion and hay and has kind of a fishy aftertaste. Tastes like spicy curry and is overwhelming. It's definitely a new taste for me. Very crunchy, but not much of a fan with this one. In all honesty, I would only eat the takoyaki balls again. They're my favorite out of the bunch. Until next time.